Do you forget words when you speak English? You start a sentence, but suddenly your mind goes blank. Don't worry, it happens to millions of learners. It's not about your memory, it's about your mindset. When you speak English, your brain does three things at once. It listens, it translates, and it searches for words. That's too much pressure, especially when you're nervous. Stick figure with glowing brain filled with too many small word icons, white background, calm tone. Think of it like a computer with too many tabs open. When your mind is busy thinking, your tongue can't keep up. You translate before you speak, and that slows you down. The real fluency starts when you stop translating. So how can you fix it? Let's begin. Step 1. Stop thinking in your native language. Try to think in English, even small thoughts like I'm hungry or it's cold. Step 2. Don't aim for perfect sentences. Even natives make mistakes, but they don't stop speaking. Step 3. Repeat what you hear in movies or YouTube videos. Imitation trains your brain to speak naturally. Step 4. Don't panic when you forget a word. Instead, describe it in another way. This is how fluent speakers survive, too. They improvise. Step 5. Practice small conversations daily. Even 5 minutes of speaking can build confidence. Confidence matters more than vocabulary. Because when you're relaxed, your brain remembers faster. When you panic, your mind freezes. So take a deep breath before speaking. Your goal isn't perfection, it's communication. Remember, even one clear sentence is progress. Step 6. Listen more than you speak. Listening trains your brain to predict what's coming next. That's how native speakers sound natural. They expect the next word. Step 7. Talk to yourself in English. It may feel silly, but it's powerful practice. Every time you speak, you build a new memory. And every memory helps you speak faster next time. Fluency grows quietly, word by word. So don't measure your mistakes. Measure how brave you were to speak today. Every word you speak is progress. Even when you forget, you learn something new. Because forgetting is not failure. It's a sign you're trying. Keep speaking, keep learning, keep believing in yourself. Fluency doesn't come from knowing everything. It comes from not giving up.